Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's topic, I have a massive announcement that I don't want you to miss. If you are serious about data science, mark your calendars right now. This coming Friday, December 26th at sharp 6:30 pm, we are hosting a premium, exclusive and absolutely free hands-on workshop. This isn't just a lecture. We are going deep into Pandas, NumPy, and data analysis with a live coding session. Plus, we are doing a live Q&A so you can get your specific questions answered in real time. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this is the perfect opportunity to level up for free. I've dropped the meeting link in the description below as well as in the pinned comment. Go hit that link, mark your calendars, and save your spot, and I will see you there. Now, speaking of data analysis, to truly understand your data, you need to see it. Let's dive into the world of data visualization. Today, we are starting a new journey, Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. You might have heard that Python is the king of data science. Well, if Python is the king, then Matplotlib is the crown jewel of its visualization tools. In this beginner friendly guide, we are going to look at how you can create powerful visuals that actually tell a story. So, here we deep dive into data visualization with Matplotlib. So, what exactly is data visualization? At its core, data visualization is about transforming raw, boring numbers, rows, and columns in a spreadsheet into visual stories that anyone can understand. Think of it as a translation service. You are translating complex data into pictures, making patterns, trends, and insights instantly recognizable. When you look at a spreadsheet with 1,000 rows, your brain gets tired. But when you look at a chart, you instantly get it. So, when I say charts, I mean the images that are being shown here. These are the different types of data visualization techniques. That is the power we are tapping into today. But why does this matter so much? Why can't we just stick to Excel sheets? First, it reveals patterns. Visualization allows you to spot trends that are completely invisible in standard spreadsheets. You might miss a sudden spike in sales or a dip in performance looking at raw numbers, but on a graph, it jumps right out at you. Second, it simplifies communication. As a data scientist, your job isn't just to find answers, it's to explain them. Visuals let you share complex findings with clarity. Third, it drives decisions. When stakeholders can see the data clearly, they can make data backed choices confidently. And finally, it simply enhances understanding. The human brain is wired for visuals. We process visual information 60,000 times faster than text. That is a massive efficiency boost. So, this is why visualization truly matters. This isn't just academic theory. Data visualization is used everywhere in the real world. In healthcare, doctors and researchers use it to track patient outcomes and map disease patterns. In business analytics, companies monitor sales, analyze customer behavior, and track key performance indicators, the KPIs, in real time. In finance, it's crucial for analyzing market trends and portfolio performance. And in climate science, scientists visualize temperature shifts and weather patterns to understand global changes. No matter what industry you go into, this skill is essential. These are a few real world applications that we saw, however, there are more. This brings us to our tool of choice, Matplotlib. Matplotlib is the foundation of Python visualization. It is Python's most popular plotting library because it is powerful, flexible, and surprisingly beginner friendly. It was created way back in 2003 and it has stood the test of time to become the absolute backbone of data visualization in Python. If you have ever seen a chart generated in Python, there is a very good chance it was made with Matplotlib. Now, as you can see, the given picture here, this is again a visualization of data in Python. This is a chart which is generated in Python, and yes, it was made with Matplotlib. So, why choose Matplotlib? It's easy to start. You can create basic plots with just a few lines of code. Unlike the figure here, which shows massive number of lines of code, you will just have to use a few lines of code using Matplotlib to visualize your data. It's highly customizable. You have control over every single element, colors, labels, line styles, you name it. And it's the industry standard. It is used by data scientists worldwide, which means there is a massive community support if you ever get stuck. So, this is why exactly or actually you use Matplotlib. As I mentioned earlier, it's easy to start, it's highly customizable, and it's the industry standard. It will always support you if you ever get stuck. But beyond that, there are four reasons why Matplotlib is essential. Foundation for learning. Understanding Matplotlib makes learning other advanced libraries like Seaborn or Plotly much easier. Versatile output. You can create charts for reports, dashboards, research papers, or presentations. Integration power. This is key. It works seamlessly with NumPy and Pandas. By the way, remember that workshop I mentioned? We'll be using these exact tools. Publication ready. It generates professional quality visualizations suitable for any context. So these are other essentials of Matplotlib. We are just scratching the surface today. Coming up next in this series, we are going to dive into the specific plot types. Line plots for tracking trends over time, which are given here. These are the line plots that I'm showing in the figure. Bar charts for making clear comparisons. These are bar charts. And then we also have the scatter plots for finding relationships between variables, and we have the histograms to look at data distributions. These are the histograms, and pie charts for understanding proportions. Pie charts, something you must know. Get your keyboards ready because we are going to start coding really very soon. So, are you ready to visualize? Here is what I need you to do. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming hands-on tutorials. Practice. Go ahead and install Python and Matplotlib on your machine so you are ready for the next video. Engage. If you have questions, share them in the comments below. Your data visualization journey starts right now. Let's turn your data into stories together. So subscribe to the channel, and finally, before I sign off, I want to remind you one last time about the opportunity waiting for you this week. This Friday, December 26th at 6:30 p.m., do not miss our free exclusive hands-on workshop. If you want to master the tools we talked about today, as well as Pandas, NumPy, and data analysis, this is the place to be. We will have a live Q&A, question and answer session, real-time coding, and it's completely free. The link is right there in the description and the pinned comment. So that is the link of the meeting. That is going to be your Google Meet link. So mark your calendars now to bag this exclusive opportunity. Thanks for watching. Happy coding, and I will see you on Friday at 6:30 p.m.